From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's mid-morning update. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call this video, the markets have a case of the Monday morning blahs. The high of the day in the S&P came off the open at 1955.30. The low was made just recently at 1950.20, excuse me. And last, we're 1951 even. We're down 2.2 handles. Total volume is low. We have 675,000 minis traded. That includes Globex, and we have 1,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. Now look, the S&P and Globex traded down to 1952 even in Globex, and we traded now just down to in our day session, we traded down to 1950 even. Now the overall price action here doesn't seem all that great. And in fact, the premium levels between the S&P cash and the S&P futures are very much in line with sell programs. And as I told the guys in the room, we have a lot of stops from 50.20 down to 46 even, and I have a feeling we may get those stops. Now, the other part about it is we had some favorable news overnight. China, European, and US PMIs all came in line to higher. We've had the existing home sales jump 4.9%, best since 2011. Everything seems to be in motion for going higher. But you know what? We've already gone higher. And in order for the S&P to continue higher, it goes back to that same old rule that I keep trying to teach you guys. And that's that if the S&P is going to go up, it's got to go down first. Now, additionally, I talked to the Pitbull, and he's a little worried about the upside here. But the bottom line is here that the quarterly rebalance is not till the end of the week. And it's my guess that we're going to get some type of pullback here before we do. So that said, we're in a very much thin to win environment here. There's not a lot of big buyers or sellers on the trading floor. No big options trade, nothing going down. Mondays, as we've said, is one of the slowest days of the week. It is the slowest day of the week. You know what? We'll be back on the closing print to give you the update on the imbalances and what's going on in the close.